Sorry guys, so many network issues. So 1 second. Yeah, I'm not sharing the screen, guys. Okay, guys. So are you able to see my screen, right? Online people. Online people are able to see my screen. Please confirm. It's too late for us. No. Okay. Now, guys. Okay, thank you. What is the username, guys? Okay. So in the last session, we discussed about the sales process, right? So how the sales is happen? What about the SaaS application like sales? The first one is product, then campaigning and lead and account and everything, right? Now, for example, guys, now we have some idea, not some idea, clear idea about that. Which object belongs to what is the purpose, right? Lead is, for example, campaign is related to advertisement. Lead is who are showing the interest. Maybe it is a company information. It is a combination of the company information as well as personal information. And account and contact is a company information. Contact is a person information. Opportunity is related the revenue related information, and task something. So most of the objects we covered. Okay. Now, for example, guys, this is the opportunity. One second, guys. There is some setup already enabled. I need to disable it. Okay. Now see, guys, this is the opportunity. Yesterday we created one opportunity. What is that? Google opportunity. What is the amount? 73 crores, something like that, right? Okay. So, for example, this is not in the closed, it is in the decision makers in that stage actually. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yesterday I installed something here. Yesterday I'm installing one package, guys. For batch 5, I'm creating one package and install here. I need to. This is the last concept of what about that? Why? Okay. Guys, this is not related to you. So one concept we are already explained in the other batch. So that concept required other org, the fresh org. So this is the fresh org. So I'm installing here. So first of all, I need to disable it. Okay. Now this goes. Okay, guys. So now I'm changing the stage. For example, this opportunity is not closed. It is in any ID decision maker. Okay. So see, guys, this is the ID decision maker. Now, for example, one guy is created. At that time, whenever this opportunity is created, the stage is proportion. Why? That is the first stage of the opportunity. Very important concept. Please remember. See, guys. So this is the stage. So what is the probability and percentage? Okay, we know already what is the probability, what is the stage, and what is the revenue. Everything we know already explained, right? Now this is the new record. The business point of view, this is the new opportunity. Okay. Now who is the owner for this? Naresh IT. So Naresh IT this is the guy for responsible for this. That means that guy is a sales guy or something. He is the ownership of that guy. He is connect to respective account team or connect to respect to the contact or call to him, and there is so many discussions are happened, right? For example, so this opportunity amount is very huge. So everybody track this what is happening on the opportunity. Understand? So not every day. For example, For example, this guy connecting to what about that? Connecting to the other guy, or this guy, for example, changing the stage, prospecting to some other. When he changed, so today, what about that prospecting? So after 1 hour, he called to the respective guy. Who is that guy? John, in the account related, John. Some John. That guy say that, okay, instead of prospecting, his qualification means so that product, so that opportunity is suitable for them. So in that case, the stage is qualification sum. That means after creating, like after 3 hours or after 1 day or after 2 days, he changed the state. The probability will be changed. So when it is changed, that means why? Because as early as possible we need to close this deal. So how quick he is close the deal, then he will get the more benefit. The company point of view, the employee point of view. So that's the reason everything we need to track that. So as of now, the stage is prospecting. When he is changing stage prospecting to some other, that means when that guy is changing this field value from one stage to other stage. And revenue, for example, after connecting to this guy, who is that guy? Naresh, connecting to the John, that guy said, I don't require, how many products are there? Total 1,000 products. I don't require 1,000 products. I'm canceling this deal. What about that? iPad. That means revenue will be decreased. Suddenly, as a vice president or as a senior manager, whenever I open this record, I shocked. Yesterday it is a 75 crores, now 67. What is happening? Why? So that guy is cancelled that. So we have internal meetings and everything, okay, to review the what happened. So everything, whatever on that opportunity, not only opportunity, in the Salesforce point of view, whatever we did on the record level, we need to track that. For example, I need to send, for example, this is what happened. Immediately, John is cancelled the 500 whatever product. Immediately, I need to inform to my manager. Okay, so hi, so and so guy. So this guy, because of this reason, he cancelled some 500 products. Immediately, I will inform. So I don't want to call call to my manager. Hey, this is what happened. What I will do something. Everything we need to track in the record level. Why? Because in the vice president level, whenever he saw that, all the conversation we need to see. Understand? So that means we required one, what about that, starter kind of stuff. I need send the email. For example, this, what about that PDF? That guy required PDF. So I need to send the email. And for example, I need to call, whenever I call to him. So I need to inform, I need to track here. Everything we need to track on the record level. So whatever already doing that guy, the sales guy, all the conversations and email sending and field of changes, everything we need to track it. And again, one more scenario, for example, I'm the vice president, under my whatever subordinate, like there is 5 hierarchies there. So under that, I have like around like 200 opportunities. Every day I don't want to open every opportunity. Why? Because all the opportunities are not moved. Some opportunities are moved. Whenever one opportunity is closed or when an opportunity amount is changed, I need to get the notification. How? For example, in the we know already that concept, guys. For example, in the Facebook, how to get the notifications, guys? The particular group or something. How to get the notification? For example, we will follow the celebrities, right? So whenever those people are, for example, Salman Khan or Aishwarya Rai, whenever we are, what about that? Those people are uploading one video, we get the notification. Only that candidate, right? Why? How to get that? What we are doing in the Facebook? Or, sorry? We are follow up. What is that? Follow up, right? Whenever you are open the Facebook, those people are having the follow up button. If you click on the follow up button, whatever those people are doing, whether those people are posting something or upload the image or upload the video, we are getting the notification. Why? We are already follow up that person. Same thing here also, these people are whatever that applied. What about that? These people, for example, I am the vice president or I am the director or I am the senior manager. So this is a huge revenue, right? I need to get notifications whenever anything happened on the record. So I need to follow up that record. How? So these many features, subscribe or something. These many features already provided the Salesforce people. Okay. So how we are doing how we are utilizing this? So for that purpose, we have an option called setup. Go to, for example, see guys, open that. So that option called feed tracking. What is that? Feed tracking. So what is going on the record level? We need to track everything. So that option called, what is that? Feed tracking. Feed tracking. So using the feed tracking, for example, you need to, what about that? Follow the particular record. You need to get the notification. We can use feed tracking. Whenever we are changing some amount from 5 lakh to 10 lakhs or 10 lakhs to 5 lakhs. So I need to, when it is changed, what is the old value, what is the new value? All are tracked with the, what about that name? Okay, we'll see how it is. I will show you. What is the option? See guys, we need to enable the feed tracking. So here there is no feed tracking enabled. Before enable the feed tracking, see the UI is like this. Now what I will do, I need to enable the feed tracking of the which object? What is the object guys? Opportunity, right? So now see feed tracking. In the feed tracking, if you go down, opportunity, click on that. See here, enable feed tracking. That means, see guys, I don't want to get all the, what about that? I don't want to see the all the fields when which fields are changed. I want to see only specific fields. Amount, if the amount is changed, I need to track that. If the stage is changed, I need to track that. That's it. Those two fields are very important. Why? Because in the organization level, what is the amount? What about the stage? Right? These two are very important. So that's the reason I need to track these two fields only. I don't want other fields. So in that case, feed tracking, see, enable feed tracking. This is the by default, some fields are there. Remove the fields. Now see amount and what about other? Stage. Where is the stage? Stage already enabled. So now save it. How many fields are enabled? Amount and stage. So I need to track whenever these fields are modified. I need to get the, what about the charter post? One post. Okay, we'll see. Now see, this is the before enable, right? Before enable, the UI is. Now I'm enabling the feed tracking. See here. What is happening? Yesterday, changed amount from 67 crores to 73. When? Yesterday is 86. For example, someone changing the amount. Okay, for example, who is the responsible for this record? Naresh. Some Suresh is coming, he is changing something. If you are not tracking, what about that? Who modified? Naresh. For example, Suresh comes to Suresh is a one person, he is modifying the record. So we don't know that guy is modified which field. Okay, so if you are tracking, see now Naresh changed the amount from this to this. For example, now stage also. Where is the stage? See here. Who modified stage? Prospecting to qualification. Who modified? Naresh. Now see, that will be track on the charter. This is the charter. This is called feed. This is not saved. Still prospecting. Okay. Qualification. Okay. Save. We are already enabled the feed tracking for stage. That means feed tracking means whenever that field is changed from old value to new value, that will be tracked here. Who is that guy? Naresh changed stage from prospecting to qualification. For example, some people are misusing the data. Okay, in that case, those people are changing something. At the time, whenever those people are changing, it is tracked here. So now you are directly called to him or assigned to him, hey, for example, hey Suresh, why are you changing this? Can you tell me the reason? For example, some people are there, the fraud people, those people are changing, and we have a and those people are want to delete that feed track, the chatter post. This is the one chatter post, but there is no option to delete it. Whatever you are doing on those two fields, so those fields are tracked here like that. This is called, what about that? Chatter feed. What is that? Chatter. Same like our Facebook, guys. So, but these information only from whatever we are enable the fields. We are enable two fields, right? What about that? Amount and state. If you want, you can add one more field. So whenever those fields are changed, that changing field, what is the old value, what is the new value, who changed that, everything will be tracked here. Now, for example, see, page is changing from to this. Now, for example, okay, whenever this is changed, so how I will get the notification? How I'm getting the notification? For example, this is the record, right? So Ashok is a director. Whenever amount or stage is changed, he needs to get the notification. So in that case, there is a follow button. So I'm the person, I'm logged in as a Ashok. Then I don't have multiple users here, guys. So assume that I'm the Ashok is a director. Now I am open my org and open this record and click on follow. Now here see follow. This guy is follow. So how many persons are follow? For example, some other guy who is that guy is a senior manager. Whenever that guy is opened in the Salesforce and open this record, this follow button is enabled. Whenever that guy is clicked, that guy image is coming. So that means in this record, how many people are follow up that? This is a celebrity, something like that. In the Facebook, it is a celebrity record, whatever that feed. So here, this record, if you want to follow, click on the follow. So whenever anything changed, you need to get the email. But here it is not possible. Why? Because we have only one user. In the real time, it is possible. So whenever you will follow up, whenever something is happened, you need to get the email. Understand? So then, whenever you get the email, then you are easily identified and open the record. Oh, these things are happening. So this is called follow-up. Understand? This is called feed tracking. Now, for example, I want to inform to, for example, see, this guy again add the product. What is the product? iPad. How many? For example, 400. Okay, save. Now see, what happened? Amount is changed. Amount is changed. Previously 67 something like that. Now it is tracked. 67 to 72 crores. Why? We are added, we are getting one more opportunity, right? On the top of existing one. So now I need to inform to my manager. Okay, he's already follow up, but I need to inform. What about that? My manager. How to inform? At the rate, you don't want to send the email something. Here, manager name. I think we don't have any manager. For example, what is the users? How many users are there? We don't. It is a free edition, guys. We don't have much users. We'll see. So Naresh IT, these are the other users, but we don't have the permission. Okay, charter expert instead. Or I'm changing these to charter expert 2, for example. As of now, we'll see. I'm changing the name, the user name. Okay. For example, his name is not charter, actually. Peter Manager. Last name is Manager something. Just for our, what about the tracking? That's it. Okay, I'm just changing the name. Now, what is that? Peter Manager. Now, if you want to inform your manager, then how to inform? Post at the rate. What is that? See, at the rate PE. Peter Manager. It is coming like this. Then is the manager, right? Hi Peter. This account people gave one more deal. Please check it. That's it. Then whenever you are post on this, share, that guy getting the notification on the mobile or in the email. Then that guy is, wherever that guy is there, that guy, oh, one more deal, then open this record and check that what is the deal. So he check the what is happening on that. Everything will be tracked. Okay. So all the conversation, if you are, for example, if you want to inform to your superior, you need to inform using what about that post. For example, you want to upload any file, the invoice or something. So here, file. See, upload from your computer, upload from the Salesforce. If you click on that, see, it is asking attachment. Set the file. There is no file. So now upload your computer. For example, you want to upload any files are in this record. There is no files. Share. Now one file is uploaded. For example, you want to create the task. There is one way. What is the way? Here, go to here, click on new task. But you don't want to go down and everything. So without navigating, without go down, you need to create the task here. And some more options. Create the note, create the new event, create the case. All are come under using this button. Understand? And also, for example, polling. For example, what is the polling in the whatever in the organization? For example, those people are offering some whatever that party or something. Some people are saying that we are going to the Goa. Some people are say that we are going to the Maldives, something like that. So then we need to get the polling. Who is voting more? Then we are going to that area. In that case, we are creating some polling. What is the polling? See, choice one is. So what is the question? Choose. Right, this is not related to opportunity. Okay, choose which location want to go. Okay, now what is the location? For example, Goa and Maldives, something like that. Okay, now share it. So in the organization, whatever the people are there, all the people getting like this. Now, so I'm the Ashok is a person, I got this. Now I choose Goa, vote. So now, how many votes? One vote. Finally, some people are Maldives, 0 as of now. So finally, what is the voting? Then based on that, our management will be decided. So this is called polling. Understand? So these all are without going to see. I'm not going to other screen. Within the same screen, within the same record, I'm doing all those things without navigating any other page. Understand? So these are called, what about that? Global actions. These actions we are not created. These actions, post, file, new task, we are not created. Who created? Salesforce. So that's the reason these are called, what about that? Actions first. What is that? Actions. But these actions are available not only opportunity. Whenever you are enable the feed track in any object, these actions are common. For example, any object, go to our object, HMS, or any better, any object, guys, account. Go to account, open the account. Here also, see, it is there. File is, see, opportunity, post, file, new task. Post, file, new task. Go to any other object, contact. See, post file new task. That means post is common for all the objects. So one action shared across multiple objects. Post is a one action. It is shared account, contact, opportunity, wherever you go. Okay, that means one action will share across multiple objects, either standard or custom, guys. So these actions are called global actions. What is that? Why global? It is available for all the objects. Okay, so these actions are called, what is that? Global actions. Global actions. So, for example, see guys, here post, the contact post is there. Opportunity also post is there. Account also post is there. Okay, whenever you enable the feed tracking, these actions are common for all the objects. So, same action shared across multiple objects. So, that's the reason we called, these actions are called, what is that? Global actions. For example, again, now see guys, new task. For example, new task. So now see the understand here, which object it is? Account or opportunity. Go to opportunity. See in the task, how many fields are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the new task, we are having the 6 fields on the opportunity. Contact new task, 6 fields. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means same action, same global action available in the all the objects. So that's the reason these actions are called global actions. Understand? For example, guys, are you able to see my screen? Guys, are you able to see my screen? Online people. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys. So that means global action already created the Salesforce people. Where those people are created. So where means, see here, what is that? Global action. Click on that. These are the global actions. By default, those people are provided. See, post is there, right? Log a call, new case, event, new note, task, something. Post by default, it is coming, guys, on the feed. So these are the global actions. Okay. For example, guys, client is asking, see, guys, in the opportunity, new task is there, right? Assuming that I'm explaining only one action level. New task is there. Contact also new task is there. Account also new task is there. All new tasks having how many fields, guys? 6. But client required, what is that? In the opportunity level, that guy don't required related to field. On the opportunity only, not other objects. Understand? For example, this is the new task. And this new task is a global action. That means whenever you are enable the feed track, whenever we are enable the feed track, whenever we are enable the feed track, what about that? These all global actions are coming, right? So that guy required, for example, that guy required the first task is guys, why you are not able to see my screen? Now, guys, now are you able to see my screen? Okay, I'm not sure why. Okay, thank you, guys. Okay, so for example, client is asking in the requirement, hey, I required global action. It is global action already there, but in the opportunity, I don't require some fields related to I don't require. In the opportunity level, in the new task global action related to don't require. Understand? How to remove on the opportunity. The task is, please understand, the task is client required. That guy don't require related to field on the opportunity global action. On the opportunity card, new task global action. What is the field don't require related to? Now, first of all, you need to understand, oh, this is the global action, right? So then go to the global action. What is the global action name? New task, right? Here layout is there. Click on that. Which field that guy don't require? Same page layout, right? Which field don't require? Related to. Remove it. Save it. We are removing. We are removing that field. Why guys screen is not getting? I'm not sure what is happening. Now guys, why it is not visible so much? Okay, I will check. Okay, now see what happened. New task. What is the task? It's getting blank. I'm not sure what is happening. Now it's fine. Yeah, okay guys. So I think whenever I'm moving one to one, okay, one screen to other screen. Okay, the task is, understand the task guys, whatever those people are asking. What is the task? Not visible. Why not visible? I'm not sure. One second guys, still fine now. One second. Maybe this is the issue. Now good, right? Everyone. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, now see guys, the task is client is asking, need to remove, what is that? Related to field on task of, what about that? Opportunity. Guys, if possible, you can note down. Okay. Yeah. What is the task? Need to remove related to field on task of opportunity. This is the task, guys. That guy don't know whether it is a global action or blah, blah, blah. That guy just open. So here see, that guy open any opportunity. Oh, in the opportunity, click on the new task. That guy don't know. It is a, that guy knows only it is a button. Technically it is a global action. Okay, but client don't know whether it is a global action or button or something. That guy simply say that, hey, whenever I open that opportunity, within that new task is there. The new task, I don't require, what about that? Related to field. Then what we will do? Oh, new, first of all, you need to open the new task. So first of all, you need to identify what is the new task, whether it is a button or something. So it is in the P track, it is there. That means it is a action, global action. How do you know it is a global action? The new task is available for all the objects. So that's the reason it is a global action. So then go to the global action, check, oh, this is a new task, is a global action. Click on edit layout. Within the edit layout, you need to remove which field that guy is want to remove. Clear? Okay, we are already removed. That's the reason in the opportunity level related to not visible. But here the problem is, please remember, we are removing the field on the global action. But global action is not belongs to only opportunity. Global action is belongs to all the objects. That means the other objects also impacted. See here related to, right? Now see related to gone. Why? We are changing the global action. So that means wherever we are using in the all the objects, that field is, what about that? Removed. But client don't require like that. Client required only in the opportunity level. In the contact and account, that guy required still related to field. See if you remove if you reload it, related to gone. So that guy request is, what about that? Only for opportunity. We are changing for all the objects. So that is the problems we are facing in the real time. If you don't know the concept, if you don't know the subject, understand? We are assuming that we are concentrated on the only one way. What is that? New task is a global action. We are going to the new global action and click on the page layout and remove that. But we don't know, if you don't have the subject, we don't know the impact will be, this task related impact will be how many objects. Understand? So your task is done, but because of your change, it will be impact so many other objects. Contact object related to not there, but client required in the contact object. Guys, are you able to see my screen? Akila, can you check your end? I think you are the your end only problem. Remaining all the people able to see. You can check your end. All the people able to see. Okay. So our task is done only offers level, but we didn't check other objects. Understand? So because of you are removing the field on the task level, that means global action level, that will be impact to other objects. You need to remember that. So these are the problems we are facing in real time, guys. Understand? So first make sure, so that means this is not correct way. Because of your change, other objects are impacted. Understand? Why it is a global action? See? New task. It is a global action. So what is the global action? This will be using campaign, account, contact, opti, that means opportunity, your patient, your doctor, all the objects, PO, CTO, all the objects we are using. So, Vaibhav, I already explained you, okay? Wait for a few more minutes. One by one I will explain you, right? Wait for a few more minutes, guys. Okay, so now this will be the same action. The new task utilizing the campaign. Whenever we are enable the feed tracking, account, contact, opportunity, patient, all the objects are utilized the same action. That means whenever you are changing this page layout, that will be impact to all the objects. But what is the client asking? You need to remove only opportunity. That means you don't want to remove what? Field on the global action. If you are changing anything, that will be impact to all the objects. So that means your approach is not correct. Understand? So we need other way. What is the other way? That means this is the new task which is sharing across multiple objects. Understand? These global actions are utilized all the objects. But my intention is I need to create my own custom action. Okay, but it is only specific to opportunity, not other objects. Understand? As of now, global actions which is brought by the Salesforce people. Global action means one action will be shared across all the objects. Whenever you are changing anything in the global action, that will be impact to all the objects. But what about our requirement? Our requirement is need to remove related to field on the task of opportunity. Only you need to remove related to field on the opportunity task global action. So if you are removing here, that will be impact to all the places. So that's the reason what I will do. I am creating one action. What is the action? Again, new task. I'm creating my own action. But that is not global action. That is specific to one object related. That means I'm creating one new task related to opportunity, not other objects. Understand? In that case, this new task is one action. It is not global action. It is an action which belongs to only particular object. Then this action is called what is that? Quick action. That is the difference, guys. Understand? See what is the problem? How to resolve? You need to learn like that. Understand? So now I am creating my own action which belongs to one particular object. Why? Because this approach, whenever in the global action you are modifying, that will be impact to all the other objects. I don't require. Client is asking only specific object. Specific objects, I need to create one action. That is called quick action. Understand? Now I am creating the quick action on the opportunity within the page layout. Yeah, that's what I'm asking you. I told you Vaibhav, one by one step, right? Okay. So now this is the quick action I'm creating in the respective of one particular object. Please remember, quick actions are belongs to specific objects. Global actions are belongs to all the objects. So whenever I'm creating the new task to the opportunity quick action. Understand? In that already this is also action. Page layout is there. You need to modify whatever you want. That will be impact to only opportunity. Understand? So now go to the opportunity. How to create the quick action? Setup. What is the object? What is the object? In which object you need to create? Opportunity. In the opportunity, see here, where is the button? This is the opportunity, right? See button, link and action. That actions are called quick action. See here, new action is a button. These are the standard already those people are provided. Now, new. See, action type. What is the action type? Create the record. We are creating the new task record, right? Which object? Task object. Understand? Creating the new record. Which record? Task. Standard label. Standard label means new. We are creating the new, right? Where is the label? Standard label. New record. Where is that? Yes. New record. New record. Create a record. Task. What is the label? That label is new task. Name. API name. What is the name? New task. What about that? Custom. This is the API name, guys. New task already there. Standard one. So that's the reason I have added new task custom. Okay? Or new task quick action. Anything is fine. That is up to us. Why? Because the opportunity already new task is there. We are creating one more new task. Two are there. One is global action, one is quick action. Understand? Now see, if you want to change the icon in the every action there is an icon. This is the icon. If you want to change, you can change it. Otherwise, don't require. See, create feed item. That means you need to add feed item. Save it. See, the new action feed item is, sorry, page layout is this. Now, see the label, new task. Which one you need to remove? Related to. I'm removing. Save it. I just saved. Okay. Now go to the opportunity, guys. Now, how many actions are there? One is new task is a global action. One is object related action. That is a quick action. That means two. We'll see. Only old one, right? Sorry, I need to revert back this global action, guys. Why? Because global action already we are removing, right? So global action. I'm revert back that field. Why? It is impacted all the objects. So that's the reason. Which field we are revert back? Related to. Assigned to related to. Now, if you see in the opportunity, this is the, we don't know whether it is a quick action or global action, but previously it is there. That means it's a global action. Now see, guys. New. See, related to is coming. This is the global action. But how to know how to add our quick action? Where is our quick action? Right? We are already creating one quick action. Where it is there? 1 second, guys. I got the card. Hello. Okay. So now see, this is the layout, right? This is the layout. So this is we called this entire one is we called as a page layout. That means in the page layout, this feed is there. This page layout, our record fields are there. Everything in the page layout. That means you need to edit the page layout. Okay. Within the page layout, we know the fields, we know the buttons. Now see, quick action. Click on the quick action. Where is our quick action? See, new task, one is disabled, another one is new task. For example, see, two new tasks are there. Why? The disabled one already added in the page layout. That is the global action. This is the our quick action. But how do you know this is our quick action? Right? For example, assuming that, see here, this is the quick actions section. Post, file, new task. For example, I am removing new task. Now see, two new tasks are there. How do I identify which one is global action, which one is quick action? Right? Both are same label. Understand? So now the approach is, see guys, on hover, see, label is new task, name is new task. But then another action we are having the name as, what is that? Custom quick action. Opportunity dot new task quick action. So like that, you need to identify which one is a global action, which one is a custom action. Sorry, custom quick action. So then I'm removing the global action. Now you need to drag this one wherever you want. This is the section, quick action section in the classic only. It is not, it is a classic UI. After file, I have added. Now this is the quick action, not global action. There is no related to. But in the other object, here we are using global action. Related to is there. But in opportunity, seems like same button, but we are using quick action. So that is the difference between quick action and global action. Global action is only one button which is shared across multiple objects. If you are doing any modification on the global action, it will be impacted to all the, what about that, object. In that case, what we will do, if the client is asking the specific object, at that time, go to the particular object and create your quick action. For example, again, one more, HMS, I need to track the patient related information. So then we'll see, there is no, what about that? feed tracking. There is no feed track. So how? Go to, what is the option? Feed tracking. Which object you need to enable the feed tracking? Which object, guys? What is the object name? So here I need to enable the feed tracking. Whatever happening in the patient, I need to see all the feed. Understand? Now what we will do? Go to the patient. Where is the patient? LMNOP, patient. Click on that. Here, fields of the patient. Enable feed tracking. So which field you want to track? For example, patient name, contact number, whenever contact number is changed, and record type, date of birth, blood group, these are not changed. Only maybe contact number will be changed, the remaining not changed, guys, right? Okay, save it. Now see patient, see this is the old UI. Feed tracking is coming. New task also coming. For example, in the other way. So here I need to create the lead. Assume that it is not a requirement. Lead. So lead is a global action. That guy say that, our client is say that, hey, I don't require lead in the lead field, in the what about that? In the patient new lead action, I don't require company and title. These two don't require. Then what we will do? So create the quick action of the patient with new lead. How to create that? Go to the patient. It is a custom object. Go to the patient, then come down. Where is that buttons and button section? Button section, new action. Then create the record. Which record? So here, guys, yeah. So in the custom object is not supported all the whatever the action. It is supported only some specific. So that is the whatever limitation. In the custom object not supported all those things. So create record note. So for example, in that case, you need to create your own custom pages and add it in the page layout. Understand? So as of now, we don't know how to create the pages. We'll discuss in the later, once we are moving to the development. Okay. For example, good question, guys. Ravan. Yeah, for example, if you want to hide this, what about that? New task. What we will do? Where it is there? In the page layout. So what we will do? Edit layout. I don't require all the, see here, quick action, classic. It is, we are not able to see. In that case, there is setting icon, click on that. That's it. Now see, post file, link, poll, question. I don't require these all those things. I require only remove that. Post and file. Remove that. That's it. Inform to some other doctor. File. Added the files to the patient. That's it. Save it. Now see, only these two are. Understand, guys? So this is the global action and quick action. Some more examples are there and some limitations are there. We'll discuss tomorrow. Tomorrow 8th, right? So guys, I will inform today, end of the day. Tomorrow actually I have a deployment. So if it is completed before 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. like today evening started, tomorrow I'm expecting tomorrow morning it will be completed. If not, so the Shamshar will be updated you. Or in the meeting session, today no class is there. Okay, those people are informed. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys.